Data types and its conversions. When we talk about data type are of two types. One is value type and the other one is reference type. Data type, it is divided into two types. Value type and reference type. In the value type, we will be having short data type, int, long, float, decimal, double, char, bool. All this comes under the value type data type. And coming to the reference type data type, you will be getting class, array, string. All these are reference type data type. Data type is divided into two types, value type and reference type data type. So here whatever we are going to assign for short, int, long only numeric values, and for float, decimal, double we are going to assign the decimal point values, and here for the char only single alphabet, and boolean it will be either true or false. And reference type class, array and string. And these are the value types which are divided into data types which is divided into value types and reference type. The value types will be stored in the stack memory and reference type will be stored in the heap memory. In the stack memory directly the value will be stored in the stack memory, but whereas reference type, in the reference type the address of the value will be stored in the reference memory, heap memory. And we have conversions, data type conversions. Data type conversions is of two types. First one is implicit conversion and second one is explicit conversion. So now what is implicit conversion and what is explicit conversion? Implicit conversion is converting the lower data type value to the higher data type value is implicit conversion. Converting lower data type value to the higher data type value. This can be made by the system itself. And here explicit conversion, converting higher data type value to lower data type value is nothing but vice versa of implicit conversion is explicit conversion, that is converting higher data type value to the lower data type value. So this is about data types and conversion of data types.